Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and now all we have to do is to tap on this four dots icon in the left lower corner. Basically the mode doesn't really matter. You can do it on the photo, video mode, or the portrait. So just tap on the four dots icon as I said, and tap on this settings icon, so gear icon. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this option reset settings. Let's tap on it and tap on reset to confirm. And we just got back to the camera, and it means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. So for example, if you had grid lines, they will disappear, leveler, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.